Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Alright, man, so today I'm so stoked to let you guys know that we're starting off not really a brand new series, but probably pretty brand new to most of you. Now, to people that have been with NameBran fam for a long time, you guys might recognize a series titled Buying Hype Items Off Instagram Ads. Shout out to you if you know, that's really dope. Let me know down below. But if you don't know, here's how it goes. Pretty much what we do is we shop these Instagram ads that we've all seen. You guys have seen those ads that might have Yeezys on them that say, buy these Yeezys, 70% off, they're only $50. And we all know Yeezys cost a lot more than $50. Or it'll be like, yo, buy the Supreme box logo hoodie, only $100. We all know they cost more than that. This is a series where we buy off those ads or certain websites and try to see if they're real or fake or not. If they're real, really dope, that's awesome. And if they're fake, we try to see how close they are to actually being real. Like, for example, could we take the fake Yeezys back to Adidas and see if we could get money for them? Which is a really dope series. I love it. You guys know I love my hypebeast stuff. That's pretty much what we buy with the series. Supreme stuff, Yeezys, sneakers, whatever. Oh, before I continue, leave a thumbs up if you guys like this series, if you know it, if you remember it, or if you think it's a cool idea. I love it. Now, real quick, boys, we do have a word from our sponsors over at Rose Gold and Black. We could have done this inside, I guess, but I'm in the car with my camera. Also gives it kind of a cool feel, like I'm out doing crazy things on the day. No time to waste, gotta film on the go, which isn't the case. Anyway, Rose Gold and Black, as you guys have probably already seen, I'm always wearing bracelets by them. They got jewelry up the butt. You know what I mean? Well, that's just kind of a weird way to start a sponsorship. But anyway, they got necklaces, they got bracelets, they got watches, everything you need on their website. Link is down below. They also have a discount code. If you guys want to use that, you'll get money off. And then when you do that, it actually helps us out on the channel. So hopefully they'll work with us more and they'll be like, wow, you're actually bringing in people and people actually like the link that you're providing. So rosegoldandblack.com, all they sell is rose gold and black. If you guys want pink, go F off. You know what I mean? They don't have it. It's only rose gold and black with all the cool bracelets. Be cool like me, kids. Don't do crack, do rose gold and black. Now getting back to it. What we're doing today is actually not anything off Instagram ads. I wanted to start this off a little different because the item that gave me the idea to bring back this series was actually from Wish. Now, because this is from Wish, we know it's already fake. We know it's not real. Wish doesn't sell anything real. It's all knockoff. I don't support it, but you know what? It makes some content. You know what I mean? It's kind of fun to see if it's legit or not. Now, while I was shopping on Wish the other day, because I'm always shopping there, they got a lot of adult things on there that I think are pretty cool. So anyway, I was shopping Wish. What is happening with my arms, dude? I swear, I just stretched these. It's kind of weird. Anyway, I was shopping Wish and I found a picture of this right here. Now, if you guys are ill-informed, what this is a Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo hoodie. It goes for 10 grand. Easy, if it's real. Now, obviously, this one's not real, but the thing that I saw about this picture right here is it looks so legit. Now, I know on these websites, generally, you're not allowed to post a fake picture of the product, I think. So what I'm getting from this is, obviously, it's not legit, but it looks so close that I can't even believe it. So I had to pick it up and maybe restart this series. Also, one thing I forgot to mention, if you're wondering why there is a blur where like the Supreme is supposed to be, that's where the box logo is. A lot of companies do this because they can't sell Supreme. They gotta like block that off on the computer. Now, the good thing about this series too is I'm pretty good at legit checking things. As you guys know, I've got a plethora of Supreme. I know all about it. None of this is fake. I have only real in my Supreme room. So anyway, that's what we're doing. We're unboxing this hoodie today. This is probably gonna be a pretty short video, just kicking it off, not wasting too much time, just giving that explanation. We got the hoodie right here, boys. I've always wanted one of these. I'm never gonna spend 10 grand on it because honestly, I don't really like wearing hoodies. It makes my face look fat. It's weird. Anyway, we got it here and we're gonna see how legit this thing is. Without further ado, here's the hoodie. Now, first off, if you were about to crumple up or fold up a Supreme box logo hoodie, it's not going to be this small. I already know the material is not going to be right, which is really bumming me out. I just got this in the mail today. Really hoping it looked like really legit because that's when we got like a really dope video. But without further ado, let's get into it, man. This is crazy. I'm so stoked to bring back this series. If you guys dig the idea and you haven't seen the other ones, just let me know. It's just fun, you know what I mean? Checking out what people are selling. What the hell is this? This is... So I forgot to tell you guys, this was $100 that I paid for it. And God, that's so annoying. So it's clearly not what the picture showed at all. It says Savage. That's so great. This is not what the picture showed at all. How? They're not supposed to do that, are they? I know when I have my website, you guys know NameBranFam.com, I have to have the actual pictures of the items or else I'm pretty sure it's illegal. I can't swear. This is so okay, I don't even need to legit check that. I'm just really pissed off. One, I hate getting lied to. I just spent $100, which doesn't matter. It's $100 for the video. Fine, dope. But the whole thing is like, I'm really stoked to legit check this for you guys. I'm sorry this is how the first freaking episode's going, but it didn't show this! And you can't sell that! So this is all crap. You can see through the white here, all over it. These are way too big too. This just not right. The whole material is wrong. These are supposed to be gold at the end. I don't know if it's real gold, doesn't even matter in this case. I'm sorry, I would not have picked this. I would not have picked this if I knew that it was going to be this. I would not have picked this if I knew this was going to be this bad. Because now this is going to be a short video. This screws me over. I'm going to actually message them and see if I can. I'm not going to take it back. I just want my money back. And they're not getting this back. I just want my damn money back. Anyway, legit check. It's supposed to have a Supreme tag over here. It's supposed to have a Supreme tag over here. Or Louis Vuitton. I can't remember. I haven't seen the inside of one of these. I'm all flustered, sorry. It's wrong. This whole video sucked! It's not good. It's not good. It's not worth $100. It's not worth anything. This is supposed to be an XXL apparently, which I didn't order either. I don't know if you guys can see my stomach here, but that doesn't fit. My stomach's still lower than the frickin' screen. Also, now you can see why my head looks fat in a hoodie. Great. I appreciate y'all for watching. I'm sorry this video is just gonna be short. I don't even know if I want to put it up. But it can't always go well. Can't always go well, but this just pisses me off, man. This isn't what the picture showed, and that's why they had ones on there for $20, but the one that I bought $100 for, or the one that was $100, this one, I got this one because it looks a lot more real, which is really why it's pissing me off. We could have just spent the $20 and probably got something that actually said Supreme on it and not Savage, which is so gay. Sorry, I try not to use that word, and I'm so not like that. That's fine, whatever you want to do. I'm sorry, I'm pissed. I'm really pissed. I'm really pissed off right now. Pockets suck. You can't fit anything there, that's for sure. Yeah, sorry guys, that's the freaking video. I have to put this up because this is a series that I've been wanting to start for a while. And not all of them are gonna be good. And this one sucks. Don't shop Wish. That really sucks, actually. I usually go with Wish, and that sucks. Okay, appreciate y'all for watching. Merc in the game, the greatest of all time. Y'all are the goats. If I feel up to it, I might do a chill with NameBran at the end. If you guys even know what that means. Whatever. Appreciate it. Blow. If anyone wants this too, you guys can have it. Just literally send me a message down below. You don't gotta, like, friggin' follow me on Instagram. Just send me a message on Instagram if you want this, because I don't want it. So, appreciate y'all for watching. Sorry how this turned out. Awesome. Blow.